She's very aggressive. She drives through our backyard every time she gets out of here.
She's challenging us.
She's telling me to cut the grass. You can't see through it. Give me a break, you know? So we're back to our next color, basics. That's what it is. We've already done red. We're going to introduce the next color in the exact same format.
Yeah, exactly. So you guys won't know what it is, but we're going to give you some associations of this color.
Psychology.
And see if you guys can figure it out.
Yeah, you'll get it.
All right. I'm going to go ahead and start off with, it can be useful. I did again.
It's okay.
Youthful. I have a hard time with that word.
Youthful person.
Yes. It can be fun. That's pretty good and exciting.
Yeah.
So I'm loving this color so far.
Yeah, so some shades or hues have the same high energy level as red.
Now, if you guys don't know what hues are basically different colors of that same color.
That's all it is.
So you get the idea.
Yeah.
Sensual. It is passionate without being too aggressive.
That's pretty good.
It's very good because if you remember, red is more on the aggressive side.
I'm saying they're getting all aggressive. When you're like, hey, slow down, you should be wearing that.
That's right. Association with romance as well. Of happiness.
Happiness
is also seen as lighthearted.
It's pretty fun, right? Yeah. So if you want to have these things in your atmosphere, then you might want to consider this color. You might have already got it by now, I hope.
Definitely.
I wouldn't know.
And then the last one.
It's popular in flower choices.
It is very popular in that. So if you guys haven't gotten already, some of you do. I know you guys do. You guys are smart out there.
Mm-hmm.
Here are some connotations of this actual color. It is healthy.
Pretty.
Nice. Feminine or girly. Sweet.
Babyish.
Mm-hmm. Encouraging and confidence. Now, confidence might throw you off a little bit, but you have to be confident to pull off this color. What is it?
It's pink.
Exactly.
But you knew that.
It is. And in fact, it is a tint of red.
That's all it is. Now, tint means white added to.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's it. These are just basics we're just teaching you. So when you go pick a wall color or carpet color or a tile or a fabric, then you have more of an idea of what you're looking for and what you don't want.
Exactly. Now, if you notice, it is less aggressive because it's adding that white to that red.
Right.
So it's a less aggressive. And what did you say about red in regressive and driving and something? There was something about bumpers.
Oh, yeah. It was actually a statistic from useful people that persons with bumper stickers are more aggressive drivers.
Very interesting because we have a neighbor right down the street. Her whole car is covered in them.
It's completely covered. She's very aggressive. She drives through our backyard every time she gets out of here.
She's challenging us.
She's telling me to cut the grass. You can't see through it. Give me a break, you know?
Exactly.
Ridiculous.
So here are some associations. In fact, do you want to do the associations now or should we do our own?
Let's do our own.
It's funny.
So,
now, obviously, pink isn't that popular in nature, as it were, so it's kind of hard to find some examples.
Not really.
So I'm going to write them down.
All right, so you ready? Who's going to go first?
You got more, so you just go first.
I was thinking this, the Sweet Tart Smartie.
Okay, whoa,
remember that?
dang,
Do you remember that?
Bubble gum.
Okay, Cherry Blossoms.
Flamingos.
Pink Rose.
Okay, Peach from Mario's.
See, I wouldn't get that one. Yeah. That's pretty cool. I got to trust you. Lipstick. My bell's going.
Okay, Pink Panther.
Pink Lemonade.
Hydrangeas.
What?
I said it right, actually.
That's good. Pink Cadillac.
Ooh, that was a good one. Starfish.
Hey, I like that. My bell. Pink Salt.
The breast cancer ribbon.
Oh, okay. All right. Nail polish.
Okay, Pink Starburst.
Man, you're good. Man, you got a lot. Lotus flower.
Lotus flower. Okay.
Double ring.
I gotta do the one right here. And it's ballet slippers.
Okay. All right. Tulip. Pink tulip.
Dang. Oh my God. Pig.
Okay, that's true. Pink grapefruit.
Some newborn puppies.
I thought that was so weird, but he's right. Pink slip.
Oh.
Not bad, right?
Oh, I'm done.
I thought of that in the last second.
Oh my God. Man, you did a great job.
Well, my bell kept messing up. There,
yeah, mine kept sticking too. Didn't really seem to affect your outcome, though. You did quite well.
I thought you were going to do the same, you know?
No,
You did do great. You were saying, well, you were saying I had so many. I guess you were right.
Yeah. Let me see. What else did you have? Lotus?
Lotus flower.
You had pink
tulips.
grapefruit.
Yeah.
Man, pink slip.
Pink slip.
So did you? That was your last one.
Yeah, we were talking about this, and I thought, oh yeah, pink slip, but I just slipped over and just wrote down.
So if I came up with one more, oh my goodness. In fact, let's come up with some more right now. We got associations as well.
Yes.
So, for example, like I said, the breast cancer ribbon, this is a breast cancer awareness. Please go ahead.
Well, they say it again here, which is up at the top, joy and happiness.
Yeah.
They definitely had happiness. So.
Yeah, definitely had happiness. You have Mary Kay.
And Victoria's Secrets.
Yeah.
Man, it's been a while.
Yes.
Pepto-Bismol.
Yeah.
Those two go together. Victoria's Secrets and Pepto-Bismol.
That's right. Thomas Pink. What's that?
I have no idea.
You also have a pink elephant in the room, of course.
Yes, I like that phrase.
Pinking shears.
Yeah, yeah.
I didn't think they would use that. Pinking shears.
Yeah, we have them in the shop.
Yeah, I didn't think it'd be associated with pink in that size.
I don't think it is.
I don't know. Pinky finger.
Hey, look, dude, the pink slip.
Yeah, that's where you got
I know I didn't. I didn't get it from that. Maybe I did.
Start writing it down. You're funny.
Maybe I did.
You're like looking down. Ooh, pink collar. Okay, and then in the pink. Have you ever heard that phrase?
In the pink. No.
Me neither.
No. I've heard of in the red and in the black.
Yeah.
You know.
I guess in the pink is like in between.
I guess so. Right, you're confused. You're like you're
making no money.
You're considering bankruptcy.
That's right.
That's what it is.
All right, so if you
There
get
you go, folks. That's it.
real fast, just a quick recap because I know we're having fun and stuff like that. But if you're really looking forward to looking for a color that is youthful, that is fun, I said it correctly that time.
That's right.
Has higher energy, just like red, but not as aggressive as red.
Right, not up in your face.
Exactly. Go ahead and check out pink. I mean, the pigs like it. They wear it all the time.
So we appreciate you staying with us.
Yeah.
And we hope you learned the basics about this next color, or this color now, and you can see it in your life and get the benefits psychologically from what studies after studies have shown that this is what it conjures up when you have this in your life.
Definitely. And the next one,
Can't tell.
good.
You just showed them.
No, I didn't.
I can see it.
I know.
All right.
I'll blur it out. You know, I'll just have like a big fuzzy dot right here. That's going to be a good one. You guys are going to like it.
So we'll see you then.
Awesome.
Thank you. Hey, before you go, we want you to know how much we value you personally as a viewer. It's because of you that we're doing these videos. We get comments like, excellent job, love the video, helped me out a great deal in my project. But you know the most important one to us is that they love the father and son team.
We have a lot of new content that we want to give you. We have been brainstorming for months on 4 different shows that we want to offer on our channel. The new and improved Save My Assets, the color basics, the private courses, and our personal favorite, No Strings Attached. Now, of course, this is going to take a lot of time and dedication on our part, and this is where you come in. If you would please consider donating a small amount on Patreon, the links are at the top right and down in the description below. It will go a long way. As always, thank you guys so much.
We look forward to seeing you in the next video.